Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa and I am here today to do the prayer of the day for Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. And today's prayer is, this is the day which the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. It's Psalms chapter 118, verse 24. And it is here. And it reads, "This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Same thing it says on the card. So, this is today's prayer. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And I will see you tomorrow and and next week's video for today's prayer. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be loving, and I will see y'all next week for the next today's prayer. Bye-bye for now.